Hello and welcome. Today we're working in managerial accounting, our full course. The chapter is called The Introduction to Managerial Accounting, and we're working on how to distinguish between product cost and period cost. So if you're new, my name is Jeff from Finally Learn, and here we're teaching a lot of accounting, a lot of finance, a lot of Excel. So please like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get started with this problem. Now, we have a furniture manufacturer, so we're making desks and tables and chairs and so on. And they have the following cost. We're going to classify each as either product or period. And if it's a product, it is either going to be direct materials, DM, direct labor, DL, or factory overhead, MOH. I guess I should call this, FOH, since I call it factory overhead. MOH is manufacturing, factory is F, of course, and then, or just overhead is fine. So the period cost would be something like general administrative expenses or operating expenses or something like that. So let's look at every one and let's put if it's product or period, and then if it's materials, labor, overhead. So factory utilities. So if it says factory, here's a clue. It's going to be a product cost, not a period cost. So factory utilities is going to be part of overhead. All right. Advertising is a cost of selling our product. It's a general administrative expense or a selling expense. So that's going to be an expense, and that's going to be a period cost. What if we have depreciation on the factory equipment? If it's factory equipment, then it goes here under product. And so it's not materials, not direct labor. It's got to be factory overhead cost, FOH. So depreciation is one of those overhead costs. Factory supplies is going to be overhead, because factory supplies, it's not a large number, so it'll be part of the overhead of running our factory. It's not direct materials, it's not direct labor. Office supplies, well, office clearly implies general administrative or the period cost. What if we have depreciation on the office equipment? Well, you look up here, depreciation on the factory equipment is overhead. So you think, oh, it must be overhead. No, because it's for the office, not for the factory. We're going to say this is a period cost. What about sales department? And we're paying salaries or commissions. That's going to be a period cost. What if we have wood for furniture? Now we're making classic kind of wood furniture, desks and tables and chairs, then that would be part of direct materials. Now what about glue for furniture? Well, glue for furniture is probably going to be an indirect material, so therefore that is by definition factory overhead or manufacturing overhead. What about wages for factory workers, people that actually working on the product? That would be a direct labor. What about salaries for the factory managers? Okay, now factory managers, that would not be direct labor, that would be indirect labor, which would be overhead. What about salary for the CFO? Well, it's not direct labor, it's not overhead, it's going to be a period cost for the executives. That is general administrative, not relating to building our product. So this is how we classify lots of things with product and period. And if it's product, it's either materials, labor, or overhead in those three big categories. I hope this is helpful. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.